Hey guys, my name is Max and welcome to a new episode of Dignitas Cars. On Dignitas Cars, it's all about cars and the straight line performance. We do 100 to 200 tests as well as top speed runs on the German Autobahn. If you like this and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. And today we're gonna test the first electric car ever on this channel. So this is a Renault ZOE. This car does unfortunately not go over 200, so instead we're gonna test the 0 to 100 times. So stay tuned. So first of all, let's have a quick look around the car. It's on 16-inch wheels. To get more performance from the car, you can mount also 15-inch wheels. That will also boost your efficiency, but this one is running on 16-inch wheels. Apart from that, of course, completely stock. And now we have a quick look under the bonnet and see what's under there. Okay, so at the first look, it's just like a normal engine bay. You have here your engine, your battery and so on. But that's actually not your engine, that's your electric motor. This one is produced from Renault. There's also one from Continental, and to be more precise from Vitesco. This has an faulty design, so every Conti motor needs to be replaced at some point of time. And therefore I would recommend you to get the Renault one, because there is only one issue with the DC converter, which can break and it needs to be replaced. It's inside the electric motor, costs around 2,700 bucks to fix it, and it's only valid for models till early 2017, so I would recommend you to get a later model here. But apart from that, quite simple car, very robust and very fuel efficient. So I would say now that we get on the road and see how it performs. Let's go!
50 meters, 100 meters, 200 meters, over.
Okay. So I guess factory claims are a little bit higher, so that's nice. And now we do the same thing with the eco mode on and see how it performs there.
See, it's a test. Meters, 50, 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters, 400 meters.
So now I have to push all the way through to get to 100.
Over.
30 seconds. Okay. $100, 110, 15, 20, 25, 30, 33, 35, 36 and 38. There's the limiter. So factory claims are 135 kilometers an hour. We're doing 138 kilometers an hour. So that's nice. And also the speedometer is quite precise, because it's showing right now 140 kilometers an hour. So that's cool. Okay guys, now let's sum it all up. So we did the 0 to 100 test in 13 seconds. That's actually 0.2 seconds faster than claimed from Renault. That's cool. And then we did the same test again, but with eco mode instead. And the eco mode here is in real eco mode, so it limits the power of the electric motor and lets you only accelerate to 95 kilometers an hour. After that you have to use the kickdown to accelerate more and get the full power. So you don't get the peak power, which is at this car 68 kilowatts, and the normal output is 43 kilowatts, so you're only accelerating with the normal power, not the boost. Yeah, that's why it took us so long to get to 100. Apart from that, the car is limited to 135 kilometers an hour according to Renault, but we did 138, so that's quite nice. So I guess that's it. If you have any questions to me or the car or electric stuff, then please let me know in the comments down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please make sure you do so. I wish you all the best and see you on the next episode. Bye!